Okay, hello everyone. We'll talk about the Bybit trading platform, crypto trading platform advantage over the rest of the other trading platforms. So, first of all, Bybit is stationed in Dubai, and it's it's stationed in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, right? And here are the features for Bybit. So I don't think it's open in some US states. So yeah, let's hope it will open soon. But yeah, for now, let's talk about the advantage of Bybit. So number one, it has a prepaid debit card integrated within the system. So you can use if you sign up with Bybit, you can make use of its debit card, and I will talk about that later. So and it's prepaid, so whatever you deposit, that's your spending power. So it's not totally a credit card where you will be paying a lot of interest. So whatever money you have, that's the one you're going to spend. So now the benefit of this, if you have a credit card, you have a credit system, you have a debit card system, you have a banking features, that just uh validate the legality of the platform. Because that is too much to have a banking system integrated with your trading platform that say a lot about your legality. So this is totally legal. I think Coinbase has Coinbase card, but it's not available yet in the Philippines. So Bybit has one, and it's available in the countries which it serves. So we can enable a card. The second one is uh, the assets are pretty much organized. So whatever is in your funding asset and in your earning asset, that becomes your spending power. And if we expand that, it will it will show you which asset are earning, which asset are being on a trading platform. And then you can have also for MT5, which is F gold trading. So basically, the advantage of this is that if your crypto is on funding, you will not accidentally trade it. And you can choose which asset you want um, to to use to your credit card. And then if you are earning, it's not going to be traded. And then yeah, the organization of your assets very much important. So you can only trade what's in your unified trading platform or unified trading uh, asset tabs or asset group. And then yeah, this is how it looks like if you expand the earn account. So it's gonna show you how much you are how much are being in stake or at stake, and you can unstake it from there, and then it's going to show you how much you earn from staking. It has a very advanced trading tool, so we cannot discuss everything in one day. So there's just too much tools. You have your bot, you have trading with gold, you can trade with perps, and you can there's a lot of way you can trade. And then it has its own learning tools for free, so you can go there, sign up, learn crypto, and then use my referral, earn $50. Just click on the link below, or and earn $50 from my link. And then the earn module, you can stake so many asset, and then you can unstake it the next day. So and then earn interest from there. And then as you can see, it has a bigger interest, like 595% APY. So that's a lot of interest. but those are for the selected few. You need to be, it's a first come first serve basis. Okay, it will close once it's reached its quota. So it has an integrated rewards hub, so it's already in the system. You don't uh, you just click on rewards, and then you can see which asset are giving you rewards, so offset the loss for trading, like yeah, those shown on the screen. And then it has a referral program, which is sophisticated. You can just go to the referral program and just click it. Again, the advantage is that it has a card, it is a very organized asset, and then it has a lot of trading tools that you can use to trade, even trading with gold, and it has a learning tools, and there are more assets that you can stake to earn revenue from your crypto, and it has a sophisticated referral and yeah, referral program. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next training. This is again for the advantage of Bybit. There's a lot more that I haven't discussed yet, and yeah, well, I'll do a video on it once I started to know. I advise you to trade and use Bybit for now. Make use of the card, and then I forgot one more advantage with in let's just go back here. So for example, one of the use cases that I have in 14 days, I will have to take the exam with AWS, and that's for $20. $200, $300. Okay, but that's 14 days from now. If I invest that into Bitcoin and Bitcoin price go down, that's no longer be $20. Instead, I can use my uh, $300 buys USDT, which is a stable coin, will not fluctuate very much. And then I'm going to stake that uh, $300 for 14 days. And then that goes to show into my spending power. So after 14 days, I can unstake it, or probably on the 13th day, I can unstake it, and then it will go to my Bybit funding. Now, another advantage is that if I use my card, it will have buyback return. Like it will have, yeah, you will earn some money if you use your card from on buying things on the internet. So it's just a virtual card. You'll sign up now, you have the card right away, and then when you load the card, you'll have a $50, I think, free, and then I get something in reward. So yeah, you can earn by doing a buyback. So that's the advantage of these things also. Because if I want to use my money, that's where I lost a lot of money, because there's no organization in my previous trading platforms, and here I can organize uh, for those that I'm going to use in the next 15 days. I can just put it on fundings, buy USDT, and then stake it, earn US interest. And yep, that's all for now, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on uh, next training, so, or next video. Thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my channel, or just follow my Facebook page.